Hi guys, welcome to your 22nd tutorial on SHTML. Let's go back to where we were on borders and padding, etc. Now in here I've changed the background colour to yellow, okay? I've given it a border stroke top blue and a border stroke top style dotted, okay? So if we run this, just in Firefox, see what we get. Now it's running now, there we go. See the top dotted? See the bottom is dashed, okay? Now what we can also do is change some of this about. We can go border stroke left stroke style, and we give it a dashed. Okay, so when I save this here, we just have to look at the left hand side now and see what we get. See here, we got it. Okay, so there's plenty of different things you can do. We can turn around and go border stroke width. I'm going to change this up to say 5 pixels. Okay, save this. Let's go back in, refresh our page. Now see that? It's now 5 pixels. We can actually go in here and go border stroke bottom. Now you see the auto will do it for you. Okay, so we fill it all into you. We can go style. Let's go. There we go for dotted again. And we'll save this. We go back into our browser. After we refresh this, see we got. We can go border stroke bottom. We can go border stroke bottom stroke color just to change it, and we can give it say a green. Hopefully green will look okay when we do this against the yellow. It's just to show you, just to highlight and base. That's all I'm trying to do here. So there you go. You have your green. So I think we've covered everything here that we need to do in this. We've got our background colors, we did our padding, we did padding top, left, right, bottom. We've done our styles, dotted, you can do anything here you want. You can do every different type of border, every different type of color, different type of widths. So that's lesson number tutorial 22. I hope you enjoyed it guys, and join me again in number 23 and we'll move on from this one. Alright, thanks, see you then, bye bye.